guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 6 problem on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So let's read the problem statement first. So in this problem we have given an array of strings and we have to group the anagrams together, and you can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so let's understand this problem with an example. So let me copy this example. Okay, so this is example 1, and here, as you can see, this is a string given to us in which there are multiple strings. So this is a list of strings. Okay, so this is one substring, this is one string, this is one string, this is one string, this is one string, and this is one string. Okay, so we have to group the anagrams. Okay, so first see here BAT. Okay, there is no other anagram of this available in our string. Okay, so anagram is nothing but, let's say if we have this character ABC, this string ABC, then this BCA, this CBA, they are all are anagrams. Okay, because they are made up of same letters. Okay, so see here, this is BAT, right? And there is no string here which is as TAB or ATB, something like that. Okay, so there is only one string. Then here, this is the second list of string in which values are NAT and TAN. So you see here, both are using the same alphabets, NAT, TAN. So these both are available here in our strings, TAN and NAT. And the one more list of string given to us in the output is ATE, EAT, TEA. So all these strings are made up of same letters. Okay, so this is one group of anagram. So in this problem we have to just group the anagrams together, and in the end we have to return the answer in any order. Okay, so now to solve this problem, first we are going to create one list of strings in which we are going to store our result list, and also we are going to create one map. Okay, so we are going to create one map, and in map the key is going to be our string. The key is going to be our string, right? And after that we are going to add the value, that is the list of string. Okay, list of string. Okay, so we are going to create one map, going to create one hash map of string as our key and list of string as our values. Okay, so let's say if I am here EAT. Okay, let's say this is a string given to us and the first character is EAT. So what I am going to do, first I am going to arrange the letters of this EAT in increasing order. So I can write it like this, AET. Okay, first I find this, and after that I am going to check if this key is available in my map. If this key, that is AET, if this key is available in my map. No, this key is not available in my map yet. So if this key is not available in my map, then I am going to just add this key. I'm just going to create one new list, and in that list I am going to put this as key. AET is the key. And what is the original value of my string? Original value of the string is EAT. I am going to put this as value. Okay, EAT. Okay, so this is a map. So here what I am doing, see here I am creating one map in which the key is given as AET, and this is going to be the list. Okay, EAT is the list. After that I go here TEA. Okay, so when I am at TEA, so again I am going to sort the letters. TEA is a string, original string. I am going to sort it. It is going to look like this. After that and after that I'm going to check if this key is available in my map. Yes, it is available. This key is available in my map. If this key is available in my map, then in that case this is the key. So in that case, in this list I am going to add the value of the original string. Okay, so my list of strings is looking like this. After that, EAT, and this was the first one original string, then this is the new original string, so I have added this as T. Okay, T. Okay, now after that I reach here TAN. So when I am at TAN, okay, so here I'm going to sort this. This is the original string. TN is the original string. I'm going to sort it. After sorting, it is look like this, A and T, right? And then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N. Okay, and then O, P, Q, R, S, T. So we have sorted it in increasing order, right? So now after that, I'm going to check if this key is available. This key is available in my map. No, this key is not available in my map. Then I'm going to create a new list. Okay, so I'm going to send this as a key, and here I'm going to create new list, and for this new list I'm going to pass the original string, that is TAN. Okay, TAN, right? Then I reach here ATE. Okay, when I'm here at ATE, I'm going to sort it again. So it is going to look like this, AET. And now I'm going to search if this key is available in my map. Yes, this key is available. This key is available. Then what I'm going to do? I'm going to just update the list for this key. So after updating this, so here I'm going to add what? Original ATE. ATE. Okay, so I have added this ATE in the list. This is the key and this is the list. Okay, so that is why I'm creating the map of string as key. These are the keys and list of strings as the values. So here values are coming. So for AET key, we have created one list of EAT, TEA and ATE. Okay, after that I reach here NAT. So when I reach NAT, I'm going to sort it again. It becomes ANT. So yes, ANT key is available. I'm going to check if this ANT key is available. Yes, this key is available. Then I'm going to update this list with the original value, that is NAT. So here I have added NAT. Okay, so as of now we have created the two lists. Okay, one is this key. For this key, these are the values, ATE. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, we have created two lists, AET, EAT, TEA, ATE, and for ANT key, STAN, and NAT. And then there is last BAT. So BAT, we are going to check BAT. So here I am writing BAT. BAT, after sorting, it is going to look like this, ABT, and I am going to search if this ABT is available somewhere. No, ABT key is not anywhere. So that in that case, I am going to create this new key, ABT, and in this I am going to add the original list as a list. So this is one more list, VAT. Okay, so this is output. VAT comes from here, TAN, and NAT goes here for this ANT key, and then if EAT, TEA, ATE goes here. Okay, so this is how I'm going to solve the problem. So now I think this problem is very simple. So now first I'm going to create one list of string. So in this array list, I'm going to store my result. Okay, so this is our result list. So write like this, new array list. New array list. Okay, now after that I have told you that we are going to create one hash map. In hash map, the key is going to be the of string type, right? And then also we are going to pass one list, and a list is of strings. Okay, list of string. Okay, so now I have created one map. Okay, name it as map, and here new hash map, initializing it. Okay, so I have created one map as well, and map is of string and list. Okay, now after that I am going to count the length of this strings array. So this is not just string, this is a strings array. So to calculate the length of strings array, so we are going to write like this: int n is equal to strings dot length, length, because this is a array. Okay, n is equal to strings dot length. After that I'm going to run one for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, then now after that for the first I need to sort this first string. So first I am here now at this index, so I need to sort it. Okay, so first in order to sort it, let's create one char array. Okay, char array, and now we need to change our first string. First string is strs of I. We need to change this strings to the char array, because it will be helpful in sorting. So I have changed it to char array. Now I have to use this arrays dot sort, and in this I have to pass our char array. Okay, so now when I pass the char array, after that I have to again make this as a string. Okay, so now I have sorted the elements EAT. Okay, I have sorted the characters in an increase order. Now I have to make one string. So for string you can just create one new string. Let's name as string, sorted string, something like this, sorted string. And here you can use string dot value of char array, or you can just use new string. So you can use anything, whatever you want. Here, new string, and then pass the char array. Okay, this is one way, or you can also use like this, string dot value of char array Okay, so this is another way of writing it. Okay, so you can either use this new string char array, or you can use this string dot value of char array. So you can use anything. Okay, so it's the same thing. Now after that we have to check if our map contains this key, this sorted key. So this is the new sorted string now. So we have to check if this key is available in our map. So check we have to map, if map dot contains key, and in this key we have to pass this sorted string. Okay, so if this key is not available, if this key in map is not available, so I'm going to use not operator here. And if this key is not available, then in that case I have to create a new list. Okay, so list is of strings. We have to create one list of strings. Okay, if this EAT, that is AET, is not available, so we have to create a new list. Okay, we have to create one new empty list. Okay, list of string of list new array list. Okay, I have created a new array list. Now after that I have to add this string in our list dot add. So in the list we have to add the original string ATE. This is a key now. So here sorted string is a key, and now we have to add the list that is original value, that is EAT. So that is can I write like this, string of I, just okay, string of I. And then we have to add both key and values in our map. So key is our sorted string and the value is our list, right? Value is our list. So I have added the key, sorted string key, that is AET, and this is a list. So first element AET is added to the list, to our map. Okay, and now in the end I have to add this, whatever I am getting, I have to add this in our final list, result list. So result list dot add list. Here I am just going to add the lists, whatever list I am generating all the values, I have to just add them in a list. Okay, and in the else part, if here in the else part I am checking if the key is available, if our map contains that key. if our map contains that keys. So that in that case we have to get the corresponding list. So to get the corresponding list from the map, so you can use this, like you can write it like this: list of string of list is equal to, and here we are going to get the corresponding list. So to get the corresponding list for a key, so I'm going to use map.get, and here I'm going to pass the key sorted string. So this key is going to give me the this sorted string is a key now. So this key, and I'm using .get, so it is going to give me the corresponding list. Okay, and now once I get that list, so in that list I have to add these strings of I. Okay, so here I think this should be strs na? So strs of I. So I think I'm writing it right. Okay, so this is it, and then in the end we have to just return our result list. Okay, return result list. So here what we are doing: public list of integer group anagrams strings. In this we are just creating one list of string result list, and here I am creating new array list. Okay, then map string of list of string of map new hash map, and then I am going to calculate the length in then after that I am running one for loop. Okay, and then I am sorting the characters in the string to identify anagrams. So here I have completed the sorting. Then after that I am going to check if the sorted string is already a key in the map. Okay, contains key is in the map. Then I am going to create one list or new array list, and then in that list I am going to add this strings value, then map to put key and value, and in the final result list I am adding that list, or in the else part here I am getting the list for the particular key, and in that list I am going to update the value of strings of I, and in the end I am returning the result list. Okay, so let's run our code and see if there are any errors. Okay, list of string result list new array list. Okay, great. List of string, right, new result list new array list. Okay, let's see. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit our code and see if it's working fine for all the test cases or not. So our solution is accepted and the runtime is 5 milliseconds and it beats 99% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are clear with today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.